Hello, and in this episode of Beardchanics Garage, we're going to show you how you can change the interior trim of your Audi A3, S3 or RS3 from this to this.
Anyway, let's run the intro and we'll go over the kit and put it on.
Let's go do it.
Alright, so this is the kit. We got it from Ultimate Custom. We'll put a link in the description. So it includes the dashboard trim, front doors trim and back doors trim. Anyway, let's have a look in the car at what those trim looks like and then show you how we put them on. Alright, so let's start with this door. I believe the longest one should be for the back, the shortest one for the front, but try first. There we go, that's the right one. So, all we need to do now,
So just peel off the sticky strips on the inside.
Yep. Might be worth using a tool to actually lift them up. Okay, the tape is not even on, that's great. There we go. When you've got them all removed, this is the tricky part. You need to make sure you're well on line up before you press it down. Never mind. And push nice and hard so that the tape stick nicely. Cool. There you go.
Oh, looks nice, doesn't it? Right, same again for the other pieces. Rinse and repeat.
So as you can see, guys, it is looking pretty good in there. Much prefer it to the aluminium trim. But unfortunately, a lot of it we are going to have to change.
Yes, basically a couple of pieces haven't been made properly. So I don't know if you're able to see it properly from here, but this has been cut out by hand, and actually they've not cut it out correctly here. It's not straight, so that when you fit it,
and that's why, you know, just like us, make sure you try on fitting it without removing the tape first. But yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's a huge gap at the top.
Look how horrible that is.
Yeah, that's not okay at all.
And this is supposed to be the premium one.
Yeah.
You know, that send you back a couple of £100. So you know,
yeah, I don't know if you
you
can see
would
it
expect for it to fit. Yeah.
up against there, but it's definitely not cut straight. And yeah, it just doesn't butt up. Okay, that's not okay.
No, and we've actually got a couple of other trims as well, where the resin didn't make it through all of the way to the carbon fiber, so you actually have little
like
gaps
pits, aren't there?
here and there. I mean, I will contact Ultimate Custom and we will see what they do about it, but at this stage we cannot really recommend you that pack.
Yeah. Do you want to show the rear door as well? Because the one on that side didn't fit properly either.
Oh yeah. Was it this one?
I think
Because after I think it's this one here.
What's that one? Yeah.
Here you can probably see it, I think. But yeah, on the edge, the resin didn't make it all the way through. So it actually, yeah, you know, you can feel it with your finger. It's not smooth all the way.
Yeah, so the rear one, it's actually slightly too big.
Not only do you have a bit of trim at the top,
Yeah.
but slightly too long here, which means you cannot.
You can't push it in properly.
No. When some of the other one, you can push them in and they pretty much hold in place.
Yeah.
Without the tape.
But yeah, this is the.
This one is just too long. But the disappointment is huge. Because I actually considered a long time whether I was going to go for a cheap alternative. And I actually went for a premium one, thinking at least it would fit perfectly.
And it doesn't.
And it doesn't.
So yeah, you can see the gap. It just doesn't fit on properly.
Again, we'll give a chance to Ultimate Custom to see what they'll be doing, but not impressed. And that's basically the look I'm going to have to live with. Still aluminium, but I've got one door in carbon, because obviously couldn't put everything down. And here you go, guys. That's how you can upgrade the trim on your Audi A3, S3 or RS3. But as you've seen with us, we were a bit unlucky with the kit we ordered, even though on paper, on description, and on price tag, it should have been bang on.
Yeah.
The principle is the same, but make sure you check it will fit before you actually glue it on.
Yeah, just literally do a trial fit. I mean, for the ones that fitted perfectly, they just slotted in and would kind of stay there. We had to pile them back out again without even undoing the tape for the glue. But yeah, for the ones that were wrong, they wouldn't fit at all.
No, you know, and if you had carried on, I was already disappointed that some of the texture was wrong on some of them.
Yeah, the finish wasn't good on all of them.
No,
all of the
you know,
panels.
when that's what they promise you, the smoothest finish, that's why you pay extra, because it's pure carbon fiber and like the best finish. Yet, you know, it wasn't the best finish and piece didn't meet. And, you know, like Lee pointed out, some of them seem to have been retrimmed by hand very badly.
Yeah, definitely badly. They're not cut straight at all.
No, and you know, now because we didn't try all of them first, we only tried one at a time when we are going to put them. I actually have my driver door that's got carbon, and because they are long strip all the way and it's thin carbon fiber, I can't really remove it.
Yeah, but it will break it.
To then send it back or anything like that, because I'm just going to break it.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it could be removed without snapping it.
Yeah, no, you know,
so
extremely disappointed. We'll keep you guys updated, you know, let's, you know, see whether, you know, I can get it replaced, sending another back or whatever. But I have to say, the presentation of the product to start with got me worried, you know, because considering that I think it's 240 quid, that kit, when it's not on sale, and then it comes in a very generic box with just Chinese writing on them, on the carbon fiber pieces are like squeezed in there, and you've got to be so careful removing them. No premium feel at all, you know.
No, there isn't.
It's all carbon fiber, that part is true, but everything else is not premium. It's the cheapest carbon fiber, true carbon fiber you can get. I reckon they make a fair bit of dosh when they sell a kit like that.
Especially if it's 140 quid. And the thing is, if it was a cheaper kit, we could probably make it fit and make it look okay.
If it was one of those like 40 quid kit, you know, we would have just spent a bit of black matte color and just fit it anyway. But here at that price, I'm not fitting that. You know, I'm not pleased, no. So, you know, we will see and we will update you on it. Anyway, guys, at least, you know, like we said, the principle on how to upgrade your trim is going to be the same. Just make sure your kit fits before you even put any of the pieces.
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway, if you want to have an update on that or see other modification on the S3 and other vehicle, go check our upload section, subscribe, like, put a comment below. Have you had experience about, you know, premium kit that were actually, you know, actually worth sometimes than some eBay kit. And yeah, let us know down below.
Yeah, but definitely keep following because there's some big plans coming up soon.
Oh, 2021 is
Yeah, some big plans for this year.
just that. Just try and, you know, couple of months max. Just you'll be like, ooh, really? Yeah, really.
Yeah, it's going to be an interesting couple of months, I think.
Yeah, definitely. Anyway, guys, see
Cool.
you in the next one.
Bye bye.